Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, most compassionate, most merciful. Well-honored audience and most respected viewers, you are most welcome to our channel Tahqiqat Qasim. Day before yesterday, while delivering an Arabic medical lecture, we had promised to deliver the same in English language to those needy and aspirants, people whose English understanding ability and aptitude is better as well quicker than Urdu. I mean the inhabitants in the southern and eastern states of India, my brothers and sisters. The profession of a physician, clinician, and curing body is a nobler one. Since the sick man or sick woman, either when they consult a doctor, hakim or vet, would put his or her hands in their hand. Imagine them next to God, next to Almighty, next to Allah. Thinking of them, they are qualities and abler qualities. They can alleviate his or her painful suffering condition and restore his or her lost wellness and health. However, it is true, literally agreed upon, that curing body, be hakim or ved or a doctor, must be well equipped with the knowledge of chemistry, physics, biology, anatomy, physiology, pathology, materia medica, medicine, therapeutic, surgery, and last one, medical jurisprudence. Among all these knowledges and sciences, the preference, priority, rather supremacy, have been given to medicinal and therapeutical knowledge. If the treating body, doctor, hakim or vet, is incompetent and not well qualified in arena of chemistry, physics, biology, anatomy, physiology, pathology, etc., etc., but he is very sensible and much successful in terms of medication and therapy, such person has fully right to cure the ailing people. Unlike to this, if the person is a great chemist, great physicist, great biologist, or greater pathologist or surgeon, etc., etc., but unsuccessful in therapy and treatment, such person has morally no right to medical practice. Tomorrow, with Almighty willing, with Allah's willing, inshallah, we shall focus on very and basic fundamentals and exceptional factors of medical science, which namely how it was in the beginning, introduce how it rose up and expands, etc., etc. For further lecture, please convey these materials to other brother and sister and share with them. Thank you. Your sincere Iqbal Ahmed Qasmi. Contact number 9899829218.